Folks, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. We're over here in Steeplechase doing a little bit of roof, house, sidewalk, cleaning all this. You can actually see somebody's attempted to clean it previously with a different, much smaller surface cleaner, slightly less capable. And this is what we're able to do to it. Just take this surface cleaner, walks right along with it, and it gets rid of that dirt and grime. Go ahead and turn it on. The beauty of it is that it's nice and even cleaning. It gets that whole surface. We can go straight across it and get a nice consistent clean. And then once we do that, we just rinse her off. Beautifully clean sidewalk. So again, instead of leaving all the unevenness that happens a lot of times if it's a less powerful, less flow machine. We can just go along with it and clean this all up. Have a great day, and if you got a dirty sidewalk, give us a call, 410-251-0928. See ya.